What are you looking for?
Looking for a beer. What's up?
Are you ready to go get that movie?
Get a movie? Do you mind if I just chug a beer real quick first? I'm gonna find the beer. What's up?
When we go, do you think you're going to take that mask off?
What mask? What kind of movie are we gonna get?
Well, I was thinking a chick flick. It's my turn to pick.
A chick flick? I don't think so.
I am Optimus Prime.
Well, do you think maybe
I don't watch chick flicks.
do you think maybe I could go to the video store with Joe instead of Optimus Prime?
I don't think so. I'll much rather go. We can pick out better movies.
Maybe just this one time?
This one time, eh?
Please?
Can I still chug the beer real quick?
Sure.
You win the battle this time.